Okay, so I'm recording this video and we're gonna do like yeah, I guess I'll play this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. You thought. Okay, so I'm just gonna press that. Great. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god. This is so cringy, guys. I really oof. Can I oops? This is cringy. This is cringy. This is cringy. This is cringy. This is oh, it's starting to load. 81, 90, 100. Okay, guys, so usually what I would do is I would use the W button to walk, and then I would use like my oh, I gotta deliver pizza. Wow. Bruh. Bet. I got a Shrieks. Play once every 24 hours, get a bigger board. Oh my god, really? Boom. Oof. I work for Team Apple, so yeah. Oh, but I need money. Look how much I can type. But you know what, guys? It doesn't let me do it. See? Oh, never mind. On my way to buy the stuff. Just fell through the map. Hi guys. Hi. This stuff still ain't working. Okay. Bet I know what I'm about to do. Okay. Team Droid, come on. Everybody knows. They got NASA? Wow. You don't know what to do. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, I could have bought me so many phones. Ah. But you know what? It was worth it, so. Not even gonna bug. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know who to give this pizza to. Oh my god. You know what? I'm just gonna sit here and text. So yeah, and I'll see you. Y'all guys, comment down below if you like me playing like these Roblox games or yeah, whatever. Comment down below if you like if you want to see more Roblox videos. And if you do, I guess I'll post some more. Sorry I'm so quiet, but yeah. No! Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. I really don't even know where I'm supposed to drop the pizza off. Like, this is really getting on my nerves. Oh my god. Oh, I could have bought a phone. I could have bought the phone. Wait a minute. I'm about to go see how much the phones cost. Okay, so I got this one. So, wow, I could have bought that one. But you know what? Oh well. Get what you get and don't off it. Get what you get and don't off it. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. I'm in last place? Like, come on. I worked so hard to get here and all you're doing. I am crazy. Oh my gosh. Key about to go again. That's key. Yes, I'm texting royalty. Royalty. Oh, so where's my new phone? About to get a new phone. New phone. Got my new phone. Got my new phone. Got my new pony. Got my new pony. Got my new pony. Got my new pony. You know what? I'm gonna try and charge this. Yeah. And so yeah, I guess I'll see y'all later. Bye! And if you want another Roblox video, I guess comment down below and I'll make another one. Bye! And so yeah, if you want to get in the video, yeah, and I guess roll that outro.